Grifform Innovation solid surface cover plates are an ideal choice for those who want to add a touch of elegance and functionality to their walls. These cover plates are made from a combination of natural minerals and high-performance resins, resulting in a non-porous, durable, and hygienic surface that is resistant to cracks, chips, and stains. One of the main benefits of Grifform Innovation's solid surface cover plates is their versatility. These cover plates are available in a range of sizes, shapes, and colors, making them a perfect choice for a variety of applications, including residential and commercial projects. Additionally, they can be easily customized to fit any size and shape of electrical or data box, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless look. Grifform Innovation's solid surface cover plates are also easy to clean and maintain, making them an ideal choice for areas where hygiene is a top priority. Their non-porous surface prevents the growth of bacteria and other harmful organisms, making them an ideal choice for hospitals, clinics, and other healthcare facilities. Additionally, their durability ensures that they will last for years, providing a cost-effective solution for those who want to add a touch of elegance to their walls. Overall, Grifform Innovation's solid surface cover plates offer a range of benefits that make them an attractive choice for homeowners and commercial property owners alike. Their versatility, durability, and easy maintenance make them an excellent choice for those who want to add a touch of elegance and functionality to their walls while ensuring a hygienic and long-lasting surface.